Hello everyone! In today's lesson we'll be learning about arithmetical operations on Python. At the previous lesson we've already used some of them, addition and multiplication. So let's see the rest of them. So here on the screen you can see the arithmetic operations, which starts from addition, and in the parentheses you can see signs of all of them. So let's move on. Subtraction, it's just subtract one number from another. Multiplication multiplies two numbers. We have already used division. We have two types of division for today's lesson. First one is just divides one number by another, and the result is always be a floating point number, float. Yeah. And next one is floor division. We use doubled division sign. It divides and rounds the result down to the nearest whole number. Next one is modulus. It gives us a reminder of a division operation. And last one, exponentiation. Raises one number to the power of another. So let's see some examples. Yeah. Let's take two variables, a int input and I'll write just a equals. So let's see c input, and let's write some print operation, and inside the quotation mark I'll just write result equal. First one is subtraction a, subtraction b. Let's run it. And program asks us to enter the value for a, let's say 10, for b, let's say 6. And there is some mistake. I should write b here and here. So as a previous lesson, it says name error, name b is not defined, and it says in which line, line 3. And on the line 3 there was print result a minus b. Yeah, and I changed the variable name on the second line to b, and I fixed the error. So let's run again. It asks to enter a 10, b 6, and the result is 4. Yeah, which is absolutely correct. So next operation is a division. As I said, the result will be always floating point number. Yeah. A 10, b 3, and result is 3.333335. Yeah. Next operation is floor division. It divides and rounds the result to the nearest whole number, rounds down. So result will be just 3 in the first case. Yeah. Let's write that numbers again. 10 to see the difference between them. 10 and 3. Result is 3. It rounded to the down to the nearest whole number. A double multiplication sign. It means exponentiation. Two, and power will be 3. Yeah, and result is 8. 2 power of 3 is 8. Modulus. Let's see the modulus. We need to put percentage mark. So it gives us a reminder after division. So let me divide 10 to 3, and the result is 1. Because at the previous operator floor division we get a result as a 3. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, and 10 minus 9 is 1. So reminder is 1. So result was there 1. And for today that's it. Also, let me show you another way to solve it. We can take another variable to calculate something, for example, a modulus b, yeah, and at the print command we just need to print c, as c is holding the result of our calculation. And let's see the result. Let me run. And let me enter 20 as a first number, 6 as a second number, and the result is 2. Yeah. If you have any questions, you can write it in comments below. Also, if you liked, put the your like, and also you can share with your friends. So thank you for watching and good luck with programming.